Welcome to my video presentation to the board. Here's an overview of our CMO goals. We were given a budget of $5,000 per week. 25% of this budget was for content and 75% for promotions. The purpose of this budget was to grow brand awareness, increase engagement, increase sales by 10% annual revenue. Here's an overview of our personal goals. Increase annual revenue by 15%, increase brand awareness through organic and paid social by 10%, outperform our competition, and stay within the budget given by Puhi. An overview of our marketing plan. We created a strategy share by sharing this vision with people, allow us to increase our revenue, and that would be done through our social media partners such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. We also did a SWOT analysis for Buhi company. The strengths were customer service oriented company. Buhi creates elegant bags for men and women. Great outdoor bags, durable and affordable prices. Some of our weaknesses is our primary market are people between 30 to 30 years old. We have not been able to increase our revenue with older people. Buhi is not a well-known brand as others in the market. Some of the opportunities reach out older customers, 32 years plus, open new markets outside United States, find potential partners, offer better promotions. Threats. Some of our threats are competitors has better market strategies. Competitors offer lower prices, and the market has a very dynamic innovations and styles. We analyze a few posts from our competition. For instance, this post gave them 5,700 likes on Facebook. We noticed the use of a simple image combined with created content for their promotions. We executed several promotions and got great results, such as this one with an image of our product, but with creative content, allow us to make 12,444 on Instagram. We also stay focused on audience. We determined that people like Sue, female, age 18 to 35, income between $28,000 and $40,000, represented 12% of our market. The second one that we analyzed was the gentlemen working in offices as managers and executives, males between the age of 18 to 26 with an income of 30,000 to 45,000 represent 16% of our market. Therefore, we stay focused on this market audience. Buhi also responded to some crises. We took the following steps. We responded fast. We designated the team. We allocated appropriate staffing and resources. We took quick decisions, and we constant monitoring and reported. In conclusion, we had the most success posting on Facebook and Instagram. Those two sites also allow us to have the higher revenue. The reason is because their users fits our audience. Also, organic content on Twitter and Pinterest allow us to have some success. Therefore, we feel that as a company, we should take more advantage using organic and paid social in other sites too. We discovered that we had low success when we posted content on YouTube, not to mention that it's also very expensive. We recommended the board to increase budget from $5,000 to $8,000 per week to allow us to invest in other social media such as Snapchat, Twitter, and Pinterest. By doing so, our sales will increase from 15 to 30% annual revenue. Our total revenue for the past 24 weeks is $422,838, which exceeded our company goals. This has been the end of our presentation.